Hello guys. Ayan guys, may palitaw tayo. Oh. Palitaw. Oh, ang sarap-sarap. Palitaw with coffee. With pandan cake ah. May pandan cake ako. Coconut pandan cake. Daming merienda. Tikman natin to. Sarap. Sarap ah. Palitaw guys. Dami mang lubi. Ang sarap kasi sobrang lagkit. Talagang pure to. Wala lang halo. Malagkit sobra eh. Diba? With coffee. With coffee guys. Yummy. Ang dami sesame seed.